Is water leaking into your Mercedes CLK W209 trunk? Here is the rear taillight gasket and how it has degraded over time. The replacement cost 18 euros for both sides from AliExpress. Unfortunately, I didn't film the removal of the trunk latch cover and the carpet. However, you can watch the reassembly at the end of the video to see how it goes back together. To remove the tail light, you'll need an 8mm wrench. There are 3 nuts here, and then don't forget to disconnect the tail light wiring harness. Next, we can take the tail light out. Pull the light straight back. Remove the old gasket and thoroughly clean off any remaining residue. I used mineral spirits to clean it. Make sure to clean the mating surface on the taillight itself as well. Look at the difference in thickness between the new and the old gasket. Stick the gasket onto the taillight with the adhesive side down, then fit it back in place and tighten the nuts. In the end, I decided to clean out the water channels as well. Each side has 1 torque screw and 4 plastic push pins. Push the pin inward using a suitable tool. Catch the pin from the other side with your hand. They're quite small, so be careful not to lose them. We can push the clip sleeve out from the other side or simply pull the trim panel off. But watch out, these sleeves can shoot out pretty far.
Напише, że to preżerowane.
I cleaned the channel and of course the trim panel itself, which I treated with a silicone plastic spray. Underneath the torque screw, there's a small washer gasket that was also completely degraded. I improvised a bit and made a new one out of an old bike inner tube. Put the trim panel back, tighten the screw, install all the plastic clips, and then push the pins into them. Next up, it's time to reinstall the trunk carpet and the trunk latch cover. Securing the latch cover works exactly the same way. First, put in the plastic sleeves and then insert the plastic pins. The top side features 3 different sizes. And that's it. Next up is cleaning and sanitizing the interior. Standing water in a car is the perfect breeding ground for bacteria. Thanks for watching the video, and I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe.